Guys, today is a massive day, and not really, but I'm going to be trying to use OpenCore Legacy Patcher to get the newest version of macOS on my 2015 MacBook Pro, and I've never tried OpenCore on it. It's just natively running Monterery right now. But first, my album is out now, as you can see. Here's the CD. Stream it, stream it. OpenCore. We've got it downloaded. Gonna do the build and install. Oh wait, no. We don't do build and install. We do not do build and install. We do create macOS installer in the first place. We gotta download it. So I'm gonna try Sonoma. We're going full newest version, 12 gigabytes.
12.
And I have this Kingston pen drive, 32 gigabytes, so should be enough. Pen drives can be kind of slow.
You don't say.
But like, you know, I have the time, so like, why not, right? And it just saves me having to go for the effort of the formatting and all that stuff to like a drive. The download speeds are really good on the, well, it downloads it straight from the Apple server, so serve. Okay, so pen drive, and we're ready to make an installer. We're doing it! Yeah!
And the TikTok shown got deleted because it got no likes and I was embarrassed. Well, yes.
Boop doop doo, ba doop doo. It's been partitioned, got the pen drive all finished. We did it!
Install MacOS Sonoma.
I'm so excited. Wait, this is fun. This is fun, guys. This is like a little adventure. We're going on an adventure together. We're going on a trip in our You know, I've just realized that singing that actually might get me copyrighted, so I'm actually gonna have to cut every single inch of that. And we got, oh my god, do you see the scaling? The scaling? Oh my god, you can't read a thing. Our little Sonoma desk. Let's oh my god, that cut me off, but our little Sonoma desk. Let's go. The scaling is awful. I mean, look at that. Without drivers, you can't see a thing, dude. Oh my god. Also, I don't know if you can hear it, but the fan noise.
We can hear it.
Oh, you can definitely hear that. It's quite loud. It's quite loud. And we got no graphic acceleration, no drivers. Scaling is... Oof. But it's installing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this it?
It would appear so.
Is this it?
Yes.
Ah! So nitpicky, but it just gave me the ugliest profile picture. What is that? Oh my god. Sorry. I was not filming, but we're in now. I think. We're in, right? Oh. I'm not gonna lie, the live lock screen is stunning. Look at it move. That is so cool. I'm gonna try it log in.
Logging in.
Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, I'll give them their 10s where 10s are due. That is gorgeous animation.
Beautiful.
Oh god, that's ugly. Sorry. Oh my god, that is ugly. Can we get dark mode? Because, you know, that's much better.
Ooh,
I think I like that a lot more.
Oh, yes.
So I had to stop the video yesterday because I had a panic attack. But I woke up today, I was like, you know, I'm gonna get right back into it.
Right.
And the laptop had like 80% because I went through eBay a little before I slept. And this morning, I wake up, I'm like, I'm gonna go into Sonoma.
Oh, yeah.
So I did, I booted into it, got to the desktop,
Okay.
whole screen went blank. Just the fans at full speed, but the screen was blank. So I turned it off, fully turned it off, and I turned it back on, and this is what I've been seeing. Even though the laptop had like 80% charge. So,
Wow.
let's attempt to do this again.
Oh.
Okay. See?
Fucking told you.
If you don't do this on your Mac, you're breaking the law. You need to have... Oh gosh, I didn't do it.
Go to jail.
You need to have like a little bit of that dock. No,
Just
that's
a
still
little
too
bit.
little. Oh my gosh, how large do I have to do it?
That's what she said.
See, now it's too large. Like, That's about it. That's about right.
Self-promo.
Hmm.
iPhone 5
Lol.
is one of the most
I mean, it seems pretty fast.
Sure,
but, like,
sure.
I don't know. Seems like it's been a little buggy, and I don't know how I feel about that because, you know, if you're trying to switch to something as a main operating system, you don't want it to be all like glitchy, but like overall, it doesn't seem laggy. I've decided I'm gonna try unplug it and see if it turns off.
Oh. The Bluetooth device is disconnected.
Are we good?
No.
Seems fine. I don't get why that happened. Anyways, so I was thinking we put some widgets on the home screen. I haven't done this before. Oh, okay. It's a little laggy on the like widget screen, isn't it? It's pretty cool. I'd honestly think that if I was to main this, I would not be using it, to be honest. Let's try Stage Manager. I'm gonna just like swap
Pick and mix.
like that. It's pretty nice. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. I just wanted to show this, but have you seen this? I just restarted it and immediately, even though the CPU load is I was gonna say low, it's really like ramping up them fans. I need it to like breathe for a second. I don't know if this is normal. I really don't.
It's not.
But I'm hoping so because it feels like unusually a bit. It just feels slower than it needs to. I don't know. I think if I'm missing out on something, please tell me.
Don't reveal my serial number.
Like, I really do. It just feels a little like slow.
This is perfect, but this video was one big struggle tweet. Struggle.
I just want it to be over with.
Fair
So,
enough.
with that being said, I'm ending it here. But you know what? In my opinion, I'd say honestly, maybe don't make the upgrade because it's just the laptop runs hotter. It's less stable. Like everything just seems a little more worse for wear. But like, it's still a nice OS. So if you need the newest features, do it, right? Like, why not? But like, I don't know. My experience was a mess. Maybe it'll be better next time.
Forgot to say it, but bye. Listen to my music is very fun and cool, and bye.